Hi guys, so the question is jump game 2. Okay, so you can read the question, but if I sum up the question, it's like you have given an array and the integers inside the array through each integer, how much minimum jump you can take to reach the last index of the array. Like for example, there is an array of 5 element, 2 here, you can take 2 jumps, but you will take 1 jump to 3. From 3 you will take 3 jump, 1 2 3. You have taken 3 jump and you have reached the last element. So it basically takes 2 minimum jump to reach the end of the index. Okay, so as you can see, the minimum number of jumps to reach the last index is 2. To jump 1 step from the index 0 to 1, then 3 step to the last index. As I have told you, that's how it's working. So let's write the code. Let's declare int n is equal to num dot size. Then we'll declare a base case n minus 1 is equal to dp, no, it will be 0. Then we'll declare a for loop. Inside the for loop, int I is equal to n minus 2. I'll tell you why we have did the n minus 2 logic. Then no, it will be less than 0, I less than 0. Then I decrement. After that, one more for loop, nested for loop, int j is equal to 1. J is less than equal to num I, and one more, what I can say, j is less than I plus j is less than n plus. Okay, so after that, dp is equal to I is equal to dp I just a second, minimum, we want the minimum element to get the minimum jump, plus 1 dp I plus j. Okay, so that's the basic code. Then return dp dot 0. Let's run the code. Okay, we didn't declare the dp vector. Int dp n2 e19. So let's run it now. Okay, there is a wrong answer. There is something we are doing wrong. Let's check. Okay, dp I is greater than equal to 0. So yeah, code is working with 19%. You know, the code is not that much optimized. Its time complexity big O of n square and space is big O of n. So yeah, but we are using the dp approach, so that's why I'm doing dp in this series. So yeah guys, let me explain you once. We have taken the size of the array num, and then we'll declare a dp variable, dp array. Okay, we initialize the last index of the dp 0. Then why we initialize last index of the dp 0? Because the goal of the goal of this problem is to reach the last index. So whatever will be the value of the last index, it doesn't matter. That's why we initialize it 0, so that we can get a base case. It's our base case. Through that we'll get the best, what I can say, result, like minimum number of jumps we want. Okay, so after that we declare a for loop, and it will be a reverse for loop. The code will go from right to left. Okay, how it will go, I'll explain you. I is equal to n minus 2, so it will start at the index of 3. The array will let's, for example, we'll take this array. Okay, 2 3 1 1 4. Okay, this array, how many elements are in this array? 5. Okay, 5. Then 5 element, then n minus 2 means I is starting from 3 index. I will start from third index. Okay, I is greater than 0, that's for sure. After that we'll go in this for loop. Inside this for loop, j will start with j is equal to, it will be an increment. Okay, j will start from index 1, then j is less than nums dot I. Nums dot I mean at that index, at I index, like in third index, I value is what? 1. Okay, 1 is greater than equal to j, it's true. This condition will follow, run, and same goes with that also. Like as you can see, I plus j is less than n, it's true. I is 3 plus j is what? J is 1. 4 is less than 5, it's true. Okay, and j will increment. So we'll use this code logic over here. dp at index 3, dp at index 3 will be what? Minimum value of dp at index 1, it will be 1 plus dp at index, what I can say, यहाँ पे हमारा क्या है, ये हमारा क्या रहेगा, हमारा मिनिमम वैल्यू यहाँ से आएगा. ठीक है गाइस, मिनिमम वैल्यू ये आएगा. तो यहाँ क्या होगा, 1 प्लस 0, इट विल बी व्हाट? dp at just a second, dp at 3 will be what? Minimum 1. Okay, so we'll get the dp value of 3, we'll iterate backward and we'll get the dp value of 2, then dp value of 1, and that's how we'll get the optimized answer in using dynamic programming. So yeah, that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. Maybe I lack something to explain and I can confuse you. I know my explanation is not that good, but yeah, I want your feedback. Honestly, I can improve, so please write down in the comment section. Thank you for watching.